Have you ever spent $5 on coffee, snacks, or an impulse purchase and thought, it's only $5? Most people don't realize that small daily expenses can have a huge impact on their financial future. Let's do a simple calculation. If you save $5 every day, that's $35 per week, about $150 per month, $1,825 per year. Now, imagine doing this consistently for 20 years. Without investing, you would save $36,500. That's a decent emergency fund, a car down payment, or even the start of a business. But here's where things get interesting. What if you invested that money instead of simply saving it? Assuming an average annual return of 8%, your daily $5 could potentially grow to nearly $100,000 over 20 years. That's the power of compounding. Money earns returns. Those returns earn more returns. And over time, your wealth grows faster and faster. The biggest lesson isn't about the $5. It's about building the habit. Most people wait until they earn more money before they start saving. Successful people start saving first, then increase the amount as their income grows. Remember, small actions repeated consistently create extraordinary results. So ask yourself, would you rather spend that extra $5 today or give your future self a chance to build wealth? Your financial future may be shaped by the small choices you make every